Hi, this is Howard from Cyber Times LLC, YouTube Creators Forum, and today we're going to talk about how to use the new YouTube video editor in their beta studio. And I have a background in computers and engineering, and I've been on the internet since 1995, and I can help you guys out. And stay tuned, we'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to go into the YouTube video editor and show you in the beta studio, and I'm going to show you how you can clip out sections very easily. Compared to the last YouTube editor, it limited you to mainly clipping out sections in the front or in the rear. This editor is a lot easier to do. Even a dummy can do it. Oh no, they're snored. I know, dummy, could I do it? Well, you certainly can, Mortimer. Okay, let me try. Well, let me do it first. Am I your gimmick, Howard? Yes, you are my gimmick. Cool. It's really cool. Did you like my gimmick? That was Mortimer Snort. So I'm going to scrunch myself down. Now that I'm in the right-hand corner, I'm ready to go into the YouTube Studio Beta Studio, whatever it is. And here we are. And I'm still in that corner. And there I am, right over there. Okay. So I'm going to bring up a video that I want to edit. So I click on my videos. See. Maybe I'll edit this one video. It's pretty short, but it's called Drone Flight Over Path at Drake Sports Park. Hit the editor. Okay, here I am. There we are, and as you can see, I can play a little bit of this video. Oh, good. Took a walk through the park. I think I might be able to shorten this. So now I want to clip it right here because that's a playground area and there are kids there. Although you can't see the kids in the video, and if I scrub it through, you might be able to see some, but I'd like to cut this area starting here. So you hit trim. Let me move it a little bit back as I'm approaching. Okay, hit trim, and then you hit the split button down there, and then you drag this bar from which expands it to where you want to end the cut, and I just passed the playground. Okay, and if you want to do another one, you can preview it, and you can do another one. I want to go a little bit further. There's a place where there are people on a park bench, and I think I'd like to. Here we come up to it. Right, people on park bench. I think I want to back it up a little bit. See, there they are. I'm going to. You can't see them here. I'm going to hit edit trim, hit split, drag this past the people on the park bench, and then hit preview. And I've got two ready to go. I could save it and process it or discard changes. Okay, let's do one more. I think I have too much video of the soccer field from the air, so let me move this forward. We'll just let it play. Here's where we go up, and there's I'm going back and forth in the soccer field. I think I'm going to edit it right about here. Let me stop it. Okay. Back off. Actually, I'll edit it right here. Edit trim. Hit split right there. And move the bar to take out some of the soccer field. Hit preview. Well, let me undo this for a second there. So you see these X marks on the video where the sections where I'm splitting or cutting out. If you want to undo that, you hit the X and it removes the edit. I'm going to hit split again because I want to take out that section of soccer field and some of the parking lot. Hit preview, and I have 3 sections. All I have to do is save them, or if I don't want to do it, I can discard changes, and that's it. And that's the way to edit using Beta Studio Editor, which when it's not beta anymore, it's going to be permanent. This is really an easy way to edit your videos online without having to redo them and re-upload them. Even a dummy can do it. So do you think you can do it, Mortimer? Well, I certainly can do it. Let me try. Well, guess what? You don't have hands. Well, yes I do. Here's one of them. Go on, Howard. Well, I manipulate your hands. You won't let me do it. So if you guys like this YouTube Creators Forum, please subscribe. Even a dummy can do it. I certainly can. Right? Of course you didn't let me do it. Well, you're a dummy. So please subscribe. The subscribe button is right on the right hand corner where Mortimer is pointing his hand. Please subscribe. See my hand? There it is. If you have any comments, please leave them. If you'd like me to review your channel and give you some suggestions on how to improve it, please make a comment. You have to subscribe though. Be glad to do it for you, and you can tell me about how your channel is doing. Either it's doing great or it's not doing great, and maybe you need a gimmick like Mortimer. Well, gimmicks are okay, right, Howard? Right, I guess so.